Hi, everybody. This is an explanation video for Thursday, March 11th. If you come down to here, day 4, March 11, this is our schedule for today. We'll start with the sync. Please notice that we have a different Zoom code and a different time today. The Zoom code is here, 997-454-4789, password 167471. And our class will start at 10 o'clock this morning, not 9:30, 10 o'clock. It will be um, all of the level 6 students together so we can work on Spark. So if you open this folder, our agenda today is we will practice inference using short dialogues, and then we will practice Spark reading skills in small groups. Okay, so here is the inference activity. So for each of these dialogues, you have to answer these questions, right? So first you will practice these dialogues. So one person will be A and one person will be B, and you will read them out loud. And when you are finished, you will answer these questions. So for this first one, we have the answers for you here. Okay, so this is the first activity. It's an example, and we give you the answers here. Here are the rest of the activities. These do not have the answers. So you'll read the dialogues out loud and then answer these questions using inference, right? So you have to use the evidence in the text combined with what you know already and then put them together to make inference answers for these questions. There's 2, 3, 4 different dialogues you can look at in your groups. And then we'll also work on our Spark activities. So now let's look at the async. So the first one is a quiz about using inference in short texts. So these are questions where we give you a short text. See, this is only about maybe 5 or 6 sentences, and you have to answer the questions, okay? So that's basically it. It's a multiple choice activity. Then the other async activity for today is discussion about job interview questions and answers. So you click here, okay? You'll think about a job that you would like to apply for in the future. Okay, so start the post by telling us what job you have chosen. Okay, and then you will look at these questions down here and pick at least 3 of these questions that you want to answer. So in your post, you will write how you would answer each of these questions in the interview. Okay, and make sure to use the bold phrases from the question in your answer, and also use gerunds and infinitives in your answer. Okay, and I've given you an example below. So I use this question: what job are you interested in doing at this company? Notice the bold word is interested in. And in my response, I wrote, at this company, I am interested in, and then it tells you to use a gerund, so I used a gerund, contributing to a team environment. Okay, also I did this one, need, right? What skills do you need to improve at work? So need is bold, make sure to use that in the answer. In my answer, I wrote, I think I need, and this one is an infinitive verb. So I said, I need to learn how to use the computer system in this company. And the last one, I used this one. What do you avoid doing when you are at work? And again, the bold word is avoid, so I want to use that word in my answer. I said, when I am at work, I avoid And then it's asking for a gerund. So I said, I avoid taking a long break because it leaves my coworkers without help. Okay, so that's what you'll do. You can do more than 3 if you want to, but I just gave you an example that shows 3. Try to do at least 3. Okay, and then you'll write your answers down here and then press post. And that is the final async activity for today. That is for Thursday, March 11th. Thank you so much for listening and best of luck.